We bought Mr. Maloonigan some steps. We're going to see if he'll actually use them to get up on the couch.
Get up there. Right here. Come on. No. Use the steps. He's just trying to. Come on. Up. Good boy. Up. Up. Come on. Run. You can run right up him. Up. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Up here. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Come. Like me. Up. Okay. Ready? Come. Yeah.
Well, it's clearly going to take a little while. It's been 8 minutes and he still hasn't climbed up himself. So just let him do it on his own time, I guess. So winter is coming and I'm storing my Beetle for the winter, so I got to get that cleaned up. But Jeanette wanted to clean her car too, so we bought a shop vac and it is really nice out. It's almost 60 degrees out right now. So we're gonna get her car cleaned and my truck cleaned out, just the inside of my truck. We got her car all clean. We're gonna pay to get this exterior detailed properly, but we did the inside ourselves. It's nice and shiny and smells good in there. And we did the same thing to the interior of my truck. Tomorrow I'll be doing the entire Beetle myself in my dad's garage. Now it's time to clean up. We're gonna take all of our DIY decoration stuff downstairs because Jeanette is ready for Christmas stuff up here. So we're gonna put up the Christmas tree, clean everything up here. Get everything ready for Christmas decorations for him to chew on.
Santa Claus. Why? That's weird. Where should Santa go?
He went over there in front of the Germany thing. a little early for Christmas decorations, but we figured why not. Now that that's done, we're gonna eat dinner. Super healthy dinner.
I don't know about lots of room, but you got room. Yeah. Works for me.
The Beetle is now in storage for the winter. Driving the truck, and it is Mr. Maloonigan's bath time. Well, most of this weekend was spent cleaning our cars, cleaning the living room to get ready for Christmas decorations, and then a side job we have, which was more cleaning. Cleaning our cars took a long time, so we didn't get to any project work this weekend, but I guess that's okay. Mr. Maloonigan finally went up the cardboard steps we bought him. He won't go back down them. He'll just jump right off. And he's still scared of them. But I'm going to sit down and edit this vlog. And hopefully next weekend actually get to some project work. I feel like I say that every weekend, but one of these weekends it'll happen. Alright, I'm going to get to editing. It's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.